Welcome to the channel. Here is how to book the cheapest flights using the Wakanow app. Step 1 is to open the Wakanow app on your phone and log into your account. So tap on flights on your home screen and enter your departure, city, destination, travel date and all that. So let's say we choose Lagos for example as our departure, and your destination London, and the date. If it's a round trip, you tap into the round trip. If it's a one-way trip, you tap the one-way trip, then you find flight. So after all of this, you look at the one with the cheapest price. So select your preferred flight and carefully enter your passenger details exactly as they appear on your passport or your official ID. So at the payment screen, choose the pay small option if you want to lock in the cheap fare with a 25% down payment instead of paying the full price up front. So select your preferred payment method, then you complete the transaction. Check your mail for your booking confirmation. Thanks for watching and safe travels on your next trip.